Hello everybody. Got the Chicago Electric chain sharpener from Harbor Freight here. And one of the issues I've been having with it is when you go to squeeze the brake there to hold the chain, the bottom of it goes in and it doesn't hold the chain like it should. So I was trying to figure out what to do on it, how to make it better so it'll work. I've tried messing with the screws and that and it still don't do anything. So I took a little piece of this here rubber hose that's for weed eaters and chainsaws and take it and just slide it in behind there. And when you go to squeeze it, now the bottom don't go in like that and the top's more focused on the chain and it holds it in place a lot better. So when you go to sharpen it, the chain ain't moving on you as much and it makes them sharpen a lot better and it works really great. So other than that, these are really good chain sharpeners. I've done a bunch with this. Just lately the bottom's been doing that and that's the only fix I came up with besides buying a new one. But easy fix. Just wanted to share it with you guys. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And have a great day, everybody. Bye.